Hi everyone, in this video I will show you unlocking Higgsfield plus Claude AI. So basically, Claude AI is a conversational AI assistant that's especially strong at writing, brainstorming, editing, summarizing, research, and so on. While Higgsfield AI focuses on AI powered visual content creation, helping creators produce cinematic videos and engaging visual assets from prompts. So this is what it looks like. This is the interface of Higgsfield. So if you are planning to create a YouTube channel or if you want a content creator, then I strongly suggest to purchase or create an account here on Higgs FBL. So what you're going to do here is just paste the correct prompt for your video, which we're going to ask ChatGPT for that. But basically, first, in order for you to start, you have to choose a profitable side hustle. So if you want to earn income using these two tools, you have to make sure that you know what could be the profitable side hustle. So YouTube automation, short form video creation, affiliate marketing, digital products, and so on. Once you have selected one, then go to Claude AI. And then here you can ask a question. So for example, what topics are trending? Of course, so that you would know what people are looking for these days. You must know what are the trending products, trending topics, which you can create for your Plot AI to and then make it as a video or convert it to video with the help of Higgsfield. So these are the trending topics like tech tutorials and gadgets and so on. So if you don't feel like selecting from any of this, then you can ask another question again here in Claude AI. Always remember that Claude AI is a very good at organizing information. It can help also generate scripts if you want to create a video using scripts, VO, or with the help of text to speech 11 labs. So you can just basically do that. Okay, so here are the new topics that you can use. So basically, we'll be creating a content video about a product review, let's just say for shoes. Or basically, you can also create your own like educational video and tutorial and short clips. But for this time, let's do a product review. So since you have your product here already, make sure that you have your pictures with you or even video like short clips, which you can use later for your Higgsfield AI. So here you can ask Cloud AI for a product review of a specific product. Let's just say a shoes, but actually everything is up to you. This is just a tutorial or idea. Then here it is. So you have your product review of that specific product, and all you have to do here is to convert this into voiceover. Actually, you can do this using the CapCut or other editing tool. You can also use 11 labs for text to speech. Okay, just select that correct or proper voice for that, and then you can generate this or convert this into speech, text to speech. So once you have copied everything here, select the voice and then just tap on text to speech or generate. And once you have your audio with you, what you're going to do next is just download the audio here from 11 Labs. Later, you can just add everything, including the video that you will create here in Higgsfield and just add all in CapCut or in Canva. So here what you're going to do is you need to paste that specific prompt. Of course, I ask ChatGPT for that, or you can also ask Cloud AI for that. So paste the prompt right here, add the picture, add your product first, paste the prompt, and then just explore for editing or settings there. Once you have your prompt and your video, or let's just say your picture of your product, just tap on generate. But since I'm using the basic version, so unfortunately I cannot generate. But as you can see here below, these are the sample videos. So if you have, upgrade your plan here in Higgsfield, then you can generate videos like this. It would be easier for you to create a video and then post it to your site, like or even post it to your YouTube because as you can see, this is what it looks like. Okay, so let's just say this is your finished product or finished video that you have generated using the Higgs field. All you have to do is to just download this and then use this as a product review video. Okay, so repurpose the content. You can also repurpose the content. You can post it to your TikTok videos or TikTok account, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest. You can also add or upload this to your blog sites and so on. Now, if you want to create an ebook, any article or content writing, again, go back to Claude AI. So, since Claude AI is good at writing and so on, like summarizing or creating articles, and let's just say you can ask ebook creation for a specific product or thing. So, all you have to do here is just go to Canva, go to create a design, look for the ebook template or layout. And here you can just basically go to templates and then look for something like any related keyword for your product, for your script, or for your um, object that you wanted to create here. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. So for example, you want to create an ebook for AI creation, you want to share your knowledge, okay? So basically, this one is good for beginners. So all you have to do here is to just copy the idea from Cloud AI, but I strongly suggest to create your own. This is just a basic learning or information how to create that. I strongly suggest also to just get ideas from Cloud AI, not to copy everything. So once you have your ebook with you, I mean the content writing, then all you have to do is to copy it, paste it here in Canva with the help of the template, and then upload this or download this as PDF rather, and then post it to your blog site or post it to Gumroad since you want to earn money from this. So create a Gumroad account. If you want to know more about Gumroad, you can visit our channel to earn with the help of Gumroad. Or you can also post it to your YouTube channel. Okay, and then add affiliate links right here, add description. Okay, and then just wait for your channel to get monetized. So basically, these are the ways on how to unlock Higgsfield Cloud AI and also side hustle secrets. So thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.